Good afternoon, this is Jack from theartofchart.net, and this is the intraday video for Wednesday the 24th of January. Our disclaimer: we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and we're not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's start with ES. ES overthrew slightly at the high this morning. This is suggesting strongly that we're in a topping process now. We've come down and we have tested wedge support exactly. It's possible I need to redraw this line, but it's a very, very nice trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a nice trend line. So I'm thinking it's probably still the same trend line, and that is likely to be an overthrow. That is suggesting that we're going to break this support soon, but it is not broken yet. It came down and has perfectly touched it, and it's reversing from there. So we'll see how that goes. It may well be that the high is going to need a retest. So as ever in these markets, it's important not to get too married to the short side. One thing I would say here is that the 60-minute sell signal that was brewing yesterday and this morning is now fixed. That's got a target in the 30 area. This RSI rising wedge has broken down. That's got a target in the 30 area. We are likely to see, well, the first test was we had a nice bear setup. I was saying yesterday it was so nice that even in this market it was hard to see that not getting delivered, and it's been delivered. The next step is, can the bears do more than one leg down? There's a nice setup for you here. We should be going further down, but can they actually deliver it? Last year was characterized mainly by moves that only made it one leg. And the second leg never happened. It's going to be very interesting to see whether that can change this time, because that is what we need to see. We need to see some sort of rally here. This could be a head and shoulders, right shoulder forming, in which case we'd be expecting to see some resistance maybe in the 2840 area. If we go back up to the high, that could well be the second high of a double top, but we need that second leg. Bears need it to show us some proof of life. Because impressive as the nice little moves, 30 from high to low is, if it can't be sustained into a second day, it's not actually that impressive in the great scheme of things. Okay, NQ obviously has broken. I would expect this to follow through. I'd be surprised if it didn't. We've made target pretty much, and I'm writing off the 60-minute sell signal. TF. This is a larger wedge, and that needs to be borne in mind, and that's why we're only halfway to the target instead of all the way. That target is in the 1570 area. That is established support that was the low last Tuesday. We have a floor there. So it's going to be very interesting to see whether or not this can be reached and whether this can be broken. The 60-minute sell signal has also made target there. Now, DX.